Welcome back to our channel. Today we discuss the facts of financial success. Financial success refers to the achievement of financial goals and the attainment of a desired level of financial well-being. It involves elements such as increasing income, building savings, reducing debt, making smart investment decisions, planning for retirement, and achieving financial independence. Here are some points of financial success. 1. Goal setting. Clear and specific financial goals are crucial for achieving success. Goals provide direction and motivation, helping you make effective financial decisions. Budgeting enables you to track spending, save money, and avoid debt. 3. Saving and investing. Saving money regularly is essential for building wealth and achieving financial security. Investing surplus funds allows for long-term growth and potential passive income. 4. Diversification. Spreading investments across different asset classes minimizes risk. Diversification safeguards against losses in any single investment. 5. Risk management. Mitigating risks through insurance policies, e.g., health, life, property, protects against financial setbacks. Creating an emergency fund helps handle unforeseen expenses without jeopardizing financial stability. 6. Continuous learning. Keeping up with financial knowledge and market trends enables informed decision-making. Learning about investment strategies and personal finance maximizes long-term success. 7. Debt management. Minimizing and managing debt is crucial for financial success. Paying off high-interest debts first, like credit card balances, reduces interest payments. 8. Multiple income streams. Generating income from various sources increases financial stability. Having multiple income streams can help achieve financial goals faster. 9. Tax efficiency. Understanding tax laws and utilizing tax-efficient strategies can optimize financial outcomes. Maximizing deductions, using tax-advantaged accounts, and seeking professional advice help reduce tax liabilities. 10. Building credit. Establishing and maintaining good credit opens doors to favorable interest rates and financial opportunities. Paying bills on time, keeping credit utilization low, and monitoring credit reports are key. 11. Long-term planning. Creating a comprehensive financial plan ensures alignment with long-term goals. Planning for retirement, education, and major life events facilitates financial success. 12. Networking and collaboration. Building a strong professional network opens doors to opportunities and valuable financial advice. Collaborating with experts or mentors can enhance financial knowledge and decision-making. 13. Discipline and patience. Financial success requires discipline and the ability to delay gratification. Patiently sticking to a long-term plan despite short-term market fluctuations fosters success. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more amazing content.